Today we're going to talk about Telegram Premium. Have you ever wondered if it's really worth paying for this upgraded version of Telegram? Well, today we're going to unravel all these details, and I'm going to help you make an informed decision about whether it's worth it or not. What is Telegram Premium and how does it work? Before we dive into the specific details of the features of Telegram Premium, it's essential to understand exactly what it is, and how it works. Telegram Premium is a subscription version of the popular messaging app Telegram, launched as part of its sustainable monetization strategy. Unlike many other apps that rely on intrusive advertising or selling user data to generate revenue, Telegram has opted for a different model. The idea behind Telegram Premium is simply simple: offer additional and exclusive features to users who are willing to pay a monthly fee. In the meantime, the free version remains, with all the features that users already know and love. It is important to note that Telegram Premium is not a separate application. It works as an additional layer within the same Telegram app that you already know. When you subscribe, your account is upgraded and unlocked. Instant access to all the premium features, without needing to download anything new. The cost of Telegram Premium varies depending on the country and the subscription method, but it generally ranges from $4 to $6 a month. There are also annual subscription options that offer a significant discount. Users can subscribe directly from the app through the Telegram page, through the Apple or Google App Stores, or via the premium bot in the versions of Telegram downloaded directly from their website. One of the most interesting features of Telegram Premium is that it does not create a divide between its premium and non-premium users. Many of the premium features, like the ability to see exclusive stickers or download large files shared by premium users, also benefit free version users to some extent. Now, what do you actually get when you subscribe to Telegram Premium? The list of features is extensive and constantly growing. But some of the standout ones include: first, expanded limits. You can join more channels, create more folders and pin chats, and save more favorite gifts. Number 2, uploading large files. Premium users can send files of up to 4 GB, compared to the 2 GB limit of the free version. Third, there are faster downloads. Telegram removes speed limits for premium users, allowing for faster downloads of files and media. Fourthly, we have the conversion of voice to text. You can transcribe voice messages into text, which is super handy when you can't listen to an audio. Fifth, there are premium stickers and reactions. You can access exclusive stickers and the ability to use more reactions in messages. Sixth, no ads. Although Telegram already has a very limited advertising policy, premium users don't see any kind of ads in the channels. Seventh, advanced chat management, as you get access to enhanced tools to organize and manage your conversations. And in 8th place, profile animations. You can use short videos or GIFs as a profile picture. These are just a few of the features that Telegram Premium offers. In the following sections, we're going to dive deeper into these and other features, analyzing their real usefulness and whether they justify the subscription costs. A detailed analysis of the main features of Telegram Premium. Now that we have an overview of what Telegram Premium is, let's dive into a more detailed analysis of its standout features. This will help us better understand the value they can bring to your experience on Telegram. First, expanded limits. This is probably one of the most attractive features for heavy Telegram users. With Premium, you can join up to 1,000 channels compared to the regular limit. From the free version, you can create up to 20 chat folders with 200 chats each, compared to 10 folders with 100 chats. From the free version, you can pin up to 5 chats in your main list, instead of 3 in the free version. Plus, you can save up to 400 favorite gifts, which is double what you get in the free version. Why is it important? If you're someone who uses Telegram heavily for work, study, or just have a lot of different interests, these expanded limits allow you to better organize your information and access more content without restrictions. Let's move on to the second point, and it's about uploading large files. Telegram Premium lets you upload files up to 4 GB in size, which is double the 2 GB limit of the free version. This is especially useful if you work with high-quality video files, large datasets, or just need to share bulky files frequently. What's fascinating is that, in fact, even free version users can download these large files if they're shared by a premium user. This makes the feature even more valuable, as it benefits not just the subscriber, but also their contacts. Third, we have faster downloads. Telegram removes all speed restrictions for premium users. This means you can download files, videos, and photos at the maximum speed your internet connection allows. If you frequently work with large files or simply value efficiency, this feature can save you a lot of time. Fourth, we have voice-to-text conversion. This feature is incredibly useful in situations where you can't listen to a voice message. Telegram Premium can automatically transcribe voice messages to text. Imagine you're in a meeting and you receive an important voice message. With this feature, you can discreetly read the content without having to read it to play the audio. And clearly, there's one thing to highlight here. And obviously, there are also free bots within Telegram that have the same function. I'll leave you with that. But beyond this, we also need to talk about the differences between Telegram Premium and the free version, comparing Telegram Premium to the free version. Indeed, we've already compared the chat capacity, file size, and download speed, but there are still a few other things to discuss. For example, the voice-to-text conversion I mentioned is obviously not available in the free version. Stickers and reactions. In the free version, access to normal stickers and a limited set of reactions. That's what's available. While in Premium, you have access to exclusive stickers and more reaction options. As for advertising in the free version, you have minimal ads in some large channels, while in the Premium version, you don't have any ads at all. In chat management, in the free version, you have basic organization tools, while in the Premium version you have advanced organization tools. Management. This feature can be very valuable for users who manage a lot of conversations and need more detailed organization. In the profile photo, in the free version, we can only have a static photo, while in the Premium version we have the possibility of using short videos or GIFs. As for message translation, it is not available in the free version, while in the Premium version we have a real-time translation of any message from any contact. It sends you. And finally, we have a badge that is not the most important thing, but some. Later it will come to matter, and we have a premium badge that, of course, isn't available in the free version. Meanwhile, in the Premium version, we have this exclusive badge next to the username, which highlights the pros and cons of subscribing to Telegram Premium. Let's do a quick review of all these pros and cons, starting with the pros. First of all, there's the enhanced functionality and the additional features, like expanded limits. The ability to upload larger files and faster downloads can significantly enhance the user experience, especially for users who are heavy users of this app. Then, there's exclusivity, access to premium stickers, additional reactions, and the exclusive badge can be appealing to those who enjoy unique elements in their apps. This also gives you productivity. Features such as speech-to-text conversion and real-time message translation can increase communication efficiency, especially in professional or international settings. Then, clearly, support for development must also be highlighted. By subscribing to Premium, you are directly supporting the ongoing development of Telegram can be important for those who value the platform and its privacy, especially compared to apps like WhatsApp. Now let's move on to the downsides. Obviously, the cost. The monthly subscription can be an extra expense that not all users are willing to take on, especially considering that the free version is already quite comprehensive. We also have the non-essential features. Because some of the premium features, such as exclusive stickers or animated profile pictures, can be seen as non-essential for many users, then limited benefits for casual users. If you are not a heavy Telegram user, you may not get the most out of the premium features, making the subscription less valuable. Then there is the possible feeling of exclusion. The existence of a premium version could create a sense of division among users. Although Telegram has tried to minimize this, allowing some premium features to benefit free users as well. Who is Telegram Premium really useful for? After thoroughly analyzing the features of Telegram Premium and weighing its pros and cons, it's time to figure out who this paid version can really be useful for. Understanding this will help us better answer the central question. Is it worth paying for Telegram Premium? First, for intensive users if you use Telegram constantly throughout the day, both for personal and professional communication, you're likely to benefit significantly from Premium. The expanded limits on channels, folders, and pinned chats will allow you to better organize your information and access more content without restrictions. Secondly, for professionals and work teams. For those who use Telegram as a work tool, the premium features can be really valuable. The ability to send larger files, faster downloads, and voice-to-text conversion can significantly boost productivity. Additionally, real-time translation can be crucial for teams that are spread across different parts of the world and speak various languages. Thirdly, we have content creators. If you manage multiple channels or large groups on Telegram, premium features such as extended limits and the advanced chat management can make your job a whole lot easier. Additionally, the ability to upload larger files can be helpful for users to share high-quality content. Fourth are the technology enthusiasts. For those who enjoy having access to the latest features and functions, Telegram Premium offers a more advanced and exclusive experience. Do you like to be at the forefront of technology? Premium could be something appealing for you. Fifth are users concerned about privacy. Although the free version of Telegram is already very respectful, with privacy, some users may prefer to pay for a service to avoid any form of advertising or data-based monetization. Premium offers a completely ad-free experience. Let's remember, and on the other hand, Telegram Premium might not be necessary for casual users. Users on a budget, users who use multiple platforms and don't see Telegram as a priority. And finally, there are also users who are happy with the free version, which already offers plenty of options.